Jenny Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, today we are going to be decluttering mugs, Halloween mugs. Cute, adorable Halloween mugs like this one. Isn't this adorable? I love this. I love my Halloween mugs, but I have too many. Too many. So I went through my collection of mugs and I'm basically deciding on what I'm going to let go and what I'm going to keep. I have a box here full of stuff that I'm going to let go. I'm going to show you guys what I have here, but I want to show you first my favorite mugs that I decided to keep. So I can't show you all of them because we'll be here forever. We all know that, but I want to give you like a little bit of idea of the ones that I'm going to keep. Obviously, I'm keeping this one because I absolutely love this mug. So cute, right? I love it. I want to get another one of these. I like to get pairs, but I didn't find a pair. When I bought these, I only found one. And I think I got this at Burlington. Okay. The next one that I want to show you that I really love are these adorable tiny little mugs. They're just so cute. I got two of these. Okay, I love these. I thought these were so cute. So cute. Okay, where did I get these from? I got these from Marshall's a while ago, a long time ago. Okay, the next one are these cute, adorable little ghosts. I was going to get rid of these, but I decided to keep them because I thought they were just too cute and too adorable to let go. So I am keeping these. And I want to show you two more that I really love. Let's see here. My Ouija board. I love my Ouija board mug. This is my favorite also. And then, okay, so I got these at Michael's. I think it was like last year when they had them on clearance. I think I bought these for like $2, but I love them. You got this one that says Mummy Juice. You got this one. There's 4 of them. You got this one. And you got this one. I love these mugs. These are so cute. I got these in clearance, so I was very lucky to find those. Very lucky. Okay, I also got these that I really love. This one and this one. So cute, right? And then the last two that I'm going to show you that I really love is, I have this one, which I haven't even used, but I do love this one, and I love the inside. And I really love this one. This is like my favorite. I love this one. I got 2 of these. I also got this one at Target, I think last year. These little tiny ones, which I'm not sure about these yet, if I'm going to keep them or not, but they're cute. Yeah. And then my Hocus Pocus. That's outside. Okay, and then I have this one that says Good Witch and Bad Witch. Okay, I can't show you anything else because I have too much here to show you. I'm keeping those. I really think I am. I mean, I still have a lot here that I'm keeping, but compared to what I'm letting go, I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Yeah, I'm pretty much really getting rid of a lot of things that I immediately picked out and didn't want to keep. A little bit hard to do because I do love my mugs, but you know, again, I gotta be honest with myself. Okay, so let me show you what you guys are going to receive if you purchase my Destash bundle. Okay, so the first one, which was really hard for me to let go, but I had to be realistic with myself, is this cup right here. Okay. Also this one. And also this one. Okay. Oh, and I have a black one. And this one. I can't believe I'm getting rid of these cups, but I know that I don't want to hold on to them because I'm not too fond of the colors anymore. And so if I know that, why am I keeping them, right? Why am I keeping them if I know that? So even though it's so hard to let those go, and I was really obsessed with them at one point in my life, I'm just gonna be letting them go. It's gonna go to somebody who is going to obviously enjoy them. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna let go is this cute little cup here. I thought this was so cute. I don't know where I got this from, but it was cute. A cute little cup. Okay, I'm gonna let this one go. I'm gonna let these go. You got two of these. Okay, I don't know if you can see the face, but the face is a pumpkin. Okay, and then this one. These are cute, but you know, not doing anything for me anymore. I also have another one here, which I have actually. I got two of them. You know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these. I might just get rid of all of them. I kept two for myself, and I'm gonna let go 3 of these. But I have a feeling that at the end of the day, I'm just gonna let go of all of them because I'm not really even sure that I like them, right? You gotta excuse the noise outside. I'm recording in my attic. The window is wide open and you could hear everything. Okay. I can't believe I'm letting this go, but I am. I'm gonna let these go. I'm gonna let them go. I love these so much, but I'm gonna let them go. It's a little kid screaming on the top of his lungs, Daddy. I don't know what's wrong with him. Okay, there we go. This one and this one. It's Halloween today, so you know. Okay, then I'm gonna let go of this one, which I can't believe, but I am gonna let go of this one. I love it. It's so beautiful, but I don't resonate with it anymore. I love this doll. This is so pretty. Okay, I don't like gnomes anymore. Letting this go. I hope I don't have to record this video again because it's really loud, the noise outside. I think they're like Halloween, they're like trick-or-treating or something, or like collecting candy or something. It's okay. They're children, they're kids, they're having fun. It's Halloween, so I guess you guys don't mind. Okay, this one I'm gonna let go. There's 2 of these. These are cute gnomes. I love these. And look at the inside. It says Happy Halloween inside. So cute, right? But I don't like gnomes anymore, so I'm gonna let these go. I can't believe I'm letting this go. Oh my God. Okay, I'm letting this go. I know, I can't believe it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm willing to let it go. I'm willing for it to go to another home that's gonna enjoy and is going to have fun drinking from those cups. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let go of these. I thought these were so cute. They're like a set. This is like a jar, and then this is a little cup or mug. These are cute. Very cute. Don't want them anymore. So I'm gonna let these go. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay. I have these, like, I think these are from the Dollar Tree, but these are cute little drinking glass. I'm gonna let these go also. Let me see, hold on. You get 2 of the little hold on, let me show you. You get 2 of these, which is cute. And then you're gonna get 2 of these, which is just the witch, which is also cute. I think I got these at the Dollar Tree, but I don't really remember. Okay, the ones that I'm not sure that I want to let go, that's all you're gonna get. That's all the ones that I've decided to not keep. All these, okay? I know it's a lot, right? So I'm gonna try to put them all in one box so I can kind of keep them nicely together. And And that's all the mugs that I have that are Halloween. I went to the kitchen downstairs. I collected all of the ones that I had downstairs. And then these are the ones I had in boxes. So the only 3 mugs that I am not sure that I want to let go of, and again, if I feel this way, then most likely it's going to go, is this one right here, which I thought it was so cute. It's brand new. I haven't even used it. It's so cute. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to let this go. I'm not sure if I want to let this one go also. Just so cute. I love this one as well. I'm thinking about it. And also, I'm not sure about this beautiful cup, glass, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty, but I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I might let this go. The other one that I think I'm going to let go, which I showed you earlier, was these 2. I try to keep 2 for myself, and then I already had 3 on the side to let go. But I think I'm just gonna let these go. I'm kind of contemplating, but I think I'm gonna let them go. And actually, this one has like a little nip. I just realized this has a little nip right there. A lot of these glass are like in good condition, and I'm gonna try my best to keep them this way. I'm gonna try to wrap them in like tissue paper so that I can kind of maintain them. But yeah, but I think I'm gonna let these go. I don't even think I want these actually. Yeah, I'm gonna let these go. Okay, and then that's it. That's all my mugs. I can't believe it, right? I have so many mugs, but I'm so excited to let some of these mugs go and have new room and a little bit of more of space to see what it is that I have. I think that that's a good thing for me, yeah? So I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you like some of these mugs. I'm going to, again, pack them in a nice little tissue bag, put them back in the boxes for you, and I'm going to put that on a side. We're gonna go through other boxes. My next box is going to probably be pumpkins. I have 2 Tupperwares full of pumpkins. I don't even know what kind of pumpkins. It has a label that just says pumpkin on it, so I don't even know what's in there. So I'm gonna go through those 2 Tupperwares, and then I'm going to kind of like summarize all the stuff that I'm doing here, because I'm almost done. I'm almost literally done. I can't believe it. I thought it was gonna take me more than like a week to do this, but I've been decluttering and getting rid of so many things that this has actually been a really smooth operation. Okay, so I am going to be wrapping these up. I'm going to put them in boxes, and I hope that you guys were able to see some of these things that I'm going to be decluttering. I hope that you're interested. If you are, please let me know. Again, like I said, I'm not going to be selling these individually. I'm going to be selling these as bundles. I have a lot of people that are asking about buying things in bundles, but like they want to know when am I going to be when is this going to be available, and I don't really have a time frame for you at the moment, because I want to still go over some other things that I have. I'm trying to collect as much as I can so I can just do a one-shot deal, right? And so I have maybe like another, I don't know, 4 to 5 Tupperwares and boxes to go through. So I think we'll be okay. I think I'm pretty sure that by the end of next week, I'm going to have more information on, you know, how much I'm going to sell all these bundles and like how to go about buying them if you're interested in them. Okay. All right. I love you all. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you stay tuned and follow me to see more decluttering. I am really excited to get, like, I'm so excited to really start this new journey, because I really thought this was gonna be really hard for me, which it is hard, but it's not as hard as I thought it was. Yeah. So I'm really trying my best to move as quickly as I can, because again, I also have Christmas stuff that I have to declutter, and that is a lot of stuff. I don't know what's going to happen with the Christmas. I don't want to even think that far, but I'll be honest with you, it's going to be very challenging because I have two rooms in my attic. Both rooms are a mess right now, but both rooms have Christmas stuff in the crawl space. So I don't want to even think about Christmas right now. Let's first finish the Halloween stuff. Let's do this first, and then we'll very easily and very slowly ease into Christmas. Okay, so thank you so much for everything. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that you enjoy watching me and show you all these wonderful, beautiful cups that I absolutely adore and loved at one point in my life. And I'm hoping that it's going to go to somebody who is going to enjoy them as much as I did. Okay, I will see you soon. Stay tuned. Love you all. Thumbs up. And return back so you can see more decluttering videos with me. Love you. By the way, happy Halloween. Bye.